What's up guys, Andrew here to unbox the Amber Replay Life, the personal hybrid cloud, which is also powered by AI. And this version is the 1 terabyte Wi-Fi dual HDD version. Alright, so let's look around the box here, see what we got. An AI-powered TV casting, multi-user support, file sharing, buffer-free streaming, camera roll backup. Okay, so I know you guys are going to have questions on what you get here. So let me just go ahead and look at that. Intel dual-core Gemini Lake CPU. That's between 1.1 gigs to 2.6 gigs. Dual HDDs. RAID 1 for data protection. Built-in AC2600 Wi-Fi router. You get 1 HDMI output. You get 1 gigabit Ethernet WAN port. You get gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, that's 2. You get 2 USB slots. You get a USB Type A and USB Type C. And that's what's happening here. So for connections, you have 2.4 and 5 gigahertz dual band Wi-Fi, 802.11 A, B, G, and AC wired Ethernet. Contents include Amber device, power adapter, quick start guide, and a Cat 5e Ethernet cable. Okay, so that's what's happening there. So I know you're gonna have questions about that. I believe I covered that for you. So let's look at the device itself. So there it is. Okay, so that's the box, and let's go ahead and unbox the device. This way. Okay, got foam things here. Alright. Instructions, quick start guide. So you can do it via the app, right? Or you can do it with the physical configuration. So let's see what we got here. Storage and Wi-Fi setup, desktop setup, and they also give you the setup to do it via the IP address. So you have that. Okay, next thing we have in here, we have a quick installation guide. Okay, that. Next thing, we got you covered if you need help. Okay, make sure you download the app if you're going to use this device. Next thing we have on the side here, probably the wires and stuff. Let's see. Alright, so you have your power. So you have a piece of the power right there. Then you have your Cat cable, as mentioned on the box. Put that to the side. Alright, and we have the device. So let's go ahead and take that out here. Okay. Okay. So that's it. So let's look around here. It says Amber in the front. Let's go around and look at the device. We'll come back around to the ports. Okay, that's that. Underneath, pretty vented, I'd say. What do you think? Okay. This is the top of the device. And here is where we definitely want to look at. Okay, so you have USB ports. You have your HDMI. You have your reset button. You have your power. And you have where the power, you have the power button, and you have where the power goes, right? So you have WPS on this side. Then you have the WAN and LAN. So you have all your ports here. Get a very, very good close-up of that. Hold that for a second there. Okay, and that's essentially the device. This is the Amber hybrid cloud storage. I definitely want to say shout outs to the team for giving me the opportunity to check it out. Go ahead and do a little focus in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the device. I'm looking forward to seeing what this device can do. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And also hit that bell and description below for the links where you can find me. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.